Hello students, ICRA English School online classes standard 6 subject social science. Dear students, in this first chapter of standard 6 sources of history. So I would like to explain in detail of this chapter. I'd like to let you know what is history first of all. History is a record of past events. Meaning of the history is a record of past events. So again here the chapter deals with sources of history. Now in brief I would like to say that sources. So there are different sources of different things. Suppose if you want to get the education, so what is the source? School, colleges, universities, classes, personal tuitions. These are the sources of obtaining education. Suppose if you want to get water in our homes, where we get in taps, there is a certain destination where water release. So for that it is a source for water. So again there are different sources of different things, but here we deal with the history. So where we get the information, what is the source of history? Most of us we receive newspaper early in the morning, which makes one aware of the daily events and incidents. After some time these events become the past. So you can see in these photographs and details information given of the past events in the newspaper help us to know our history. As you see on the screen here, you can see a painting, stamp, an idol, a seal, utensils, vessels, and various other tools. We come to know history through such sources. If we have knowledge of the past, we better understand the present situation for this. Dear student, suppose I want to let you know the incident happened in our city Surat long time back. There occurred plague and floods. I wish it was not repeat, but I want to quote it as example. If such incident repeat present and future, so if we have the past experience, how the people deal that situations previously, how they overcome that, how they handle that situation, and they put to end that incident. So if that is it may be record in the form of media, files, document, videos. If we observe, if we study all that things properly, so we have a lot of knowledge. Suppose it again repeat, we have the good knowledge. We can solve the present situation, same situation if occurs again, we smoothly and efficiently we can solve the situation. Right now we have facing corona-19 disease. We have different experience. How we are facing, our government is solving this situation, how they are handling. So these all we can keep as a record. Videos might be newspaper, different documents. This is the source, for future generation. If God not will, suppose if this situation comes, in future, so they have the records, videos, all these things. So they will easily handle, easily solve if these type of incident occur in future. This I want to mention. These are the sources of history and how to handle the situation. I'll continue again. Thank you.